historically, the ASBMB meeting has been focused on sort of, I don't know, 10 or 12 different areas of biochemistry as major focus areas. But obviously, we can't cover all of the subtopics of the focus areas as part of the main program. And so the spotlight sessions were a way of sort of extending out the program, adding a little bit more granular color, scientific color, by bringing in other areas into the mix. These are contributed abstracts from selected from contributed abstracts rather than from invitations. And so that's how it started a few years ago. And we've continued this because it helps round out the meeting by contributions from the attendees. I think what makes a good abstract is just like anything else. You have to tell people what's important about it, why is it important, how it addresses some interesting problem, and maybe a little bit about what the next step is to get people an idea of where it is and where it's going, and that's it. So I think you're really trying to engage the reviewers of the abstracts in a very short period of time. And so what makes it a good abstract is something that is general enough that can engage the reader, doesn't have a ton of jargon in it and sort of very field specific comments, because those end up being difficult to then decipher unless you're absolutely in that field and know the field very well. I look forward to a lot of aspects of the meeting, not just the science, which is great, but also those more soft touch types of things, the personal connections with colleagues and making new connections with folks.